I have never seen that much dust in my room because I cleaned it yesterday. Okay, it's all because of this light. So, hi guys, it's Ree here. Welcome back. In today's video, AI will control my makeup. Do you think this will be a good idea or a bad idea? I gave my ChatGPT this prompt. He came up with this picture. And I also asked him to give me all the suggestions step by step in text form. We will start with the picture. Obviously, he wants my makeup to look like this, to look like this. This somewhere here will be picture. I would say this is like glammy, bold bridal makeup. It's very much giving 2016, isn't it? Moisturize and prime. I will apply primer because he told me to. So he says do not put one primer everywhere. Pore blurring primer, only T-zone, hydrating primer, outer face, or gripping primer where makeup fades. I don't have a lot of primers. I have only one. So sorry ChatGPT, I appreciate your suggestions. Do you have more than one primer like blurring, hydrating, gripping? I have my e.l.f. Hydra Grip. Honestly, by how much there is, you can see how much I've been using it. Not a lot. For me, it's not the best feeling in the world applying it to my face. I much more prefer just my moisturizer than this. It's such a weird feeling on a face, and especially when then the primer gets stucky and sticky and just my skin tightens. I think I am saying this right. I don't know. Oh, and honestly, I would do my brows by this step, but we're doing it how ChatGPT says to. So the first is primer by his suggestions. Let me go clean my hands because honestly, disgusting. Next step, according to ChatGPT, is base. Flawless but skin-like. The goal, polished but not heavy. Use one pump max. Apply with brush first, thin layer, then press with damp sponge. Start from the center of the face, blend outwards. Do not overload the perimeter. With the brush, you want me to use this with the brush. Light layer of foundation. And I don't know if any of you noticed, but I got a new haircut and I want to tell you that I am the ambassador of short hair. This is honestly not the shortest my hair ever been. I feel the most comfortable with my life when my hair is short because it's easier to style, it's quicker. Okay, the foundation is done. I honestly blended it with a brush pretty good, but ChatGPT said to go over with a damp sponge. So I don't know what's up with my English today, so I'm sorry if I am making mistakes. I really don't know what's happening. Next step, concealer placement, lifting technique. Because I also asked for specific techniques for him to give me. We need everything we can do from this. Do not paint a big triangle. I am not. We're not in 2016. Apply in inner corner right there, I believe. Small line along outer corner of the eye. Tiny bead on the chin and around nostrils. So no concealer on the forehead. No concealer on the forehead. What a shame. Let concealer sit for 30-45 seconds and then blend upwards, not downwards. He did not specify what tool I should use, so I typically blend my concealer with a sponge. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. The next step is cream contour. Use cool toned contour placement under cheekbone, ear, mid-eye direction, temple, under jaw, slightly on sides of the nose, very subtle. Blend upwards, never drag down. Okay, ChatGPT, as you say, my cool toned cream contour, Fenty Beauty Matchstick shade Amber, under the cheekbone, on the temple. That's actually how I would typically place this product. Under the cheekbone and on the temple. Under the jawline. He said nothing about the forehead. Nothing about the forehead. What about the sides of the forehead? What about the center of the forehead? Nothing? Do we just forget about the forehead? On the sides of the nose. Okay, next thing. Cream blush. Placement changes your face. For lifted glam, place blush higher than you think. Start near outer cheekbone, blend towards the temple. Do not go too close to nose. As we've seen the picture, I will remind you, this is pretty warm toned blush. My Robe blush in the shade Toasted Teddy. He said nothing about the bridge of the nose, so do we just forget about this and don't use blush there? Next setting, loose powder plus small brush. Press, don't sweep. Set under eyes lightly. Smile lines around nose, center forehead. Leave cheekbone area less powdered to keep glow. If you want ultra smooth under eye, press powder with puff. Wait 30 seconds, then dust excess. Yeah, I want set under eyes. Of course I do. Now there will be even more flying things because there's powder. I will dust away the excess. I don't even know. I don't speak English today. Okay, but other areas I should set with the brush. Okay, I'm now set. If you see more flyaways here throughout the video flying around, I'm sorry, it's powder. It's freaking powder. Next step, sculpt and bronze. Now we build dimension. Powder bronzer. Use fluffy brush. Apply temple slightly on nose bridge. Blend into hairline. Think of 3 shape of each side of the face. Above the cheekbone, on the temple, blend into the hairline. Oh my god, so the forehead and on a bridge of the nose. So that's it. Powder blush. Lightly tap over cream blush to lock it. So no blush on the nose. Again, no brows yet. When I get to them, that will be disaster, don't you think? Highlighter. Placement top of cheekbone, outer part, brow tail, inner corner, cupid's bow, tiny amount. Do not drag highlight towards center of cheek. I don't know, is it me who wants to add the articles like a or the in the sentences, or is it problem with my ChatGPT and he doesn't know about articles? I haven't seen a single day there. Like, I would say do not drag highlight towards that center of the cheek. Am I right or am I not? And it's me, the one who sounds stupid because of this freaking thing. I will tell him about this. So yes, he didn't use any articles. It's not me who's crazy. Highlighter. Apply highlighter to the highest point of the cheekbones, the brow tail, the inner corner of the eyes, and the cupid's bow. Thank you. Now I can do this. Keep highlighter away from the center of the cheek. As I told you, it's not me who's crazy. I'm not crazy. I know English. Highlighter. On the brow tail, I don't know what it will give us since I have no brows done or in general. On the cupid's bow. Wait, no highlighter on the nose? No highlighter on the nose? So that brag right there doesn't know anything about makeup. What do you mean, no highlighter on the nose? You either don't use highlighter in general or you use it everywhere. Cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, your eyes, your brow, everywhere. What do you mean no highlighter on the nose? Brows. Oh, so now we get to brows. Okay. Brush the brows upwards. Fill sparse areas with light, hair-like strokes. Keep the front softer and the tail more defined. Set with a clear or tinted brow gel. For extra lift, clean under the brows with a small amount of concealer. So you... Let me clear this up. You want me to firstly draw my brows with a pencil and then to set it. Are you sure? Are you sure? Because I am not. But wherever, I'm not the one voting here. Like, I don't have brows at all. And if you expect me to draw a perfect brow, not even seeing the shape of the brow, like, first of all, I always do my brows first. Second of all, I don't use a pencil, I use a brow pen. And third of all, I firstly set them with the brow gel and then define the gaps. And I don't even remember last time I used brow pencil. I don't think this is good by any means. It just means that I'm letting the disaster happen and you are participating. I'm not telling that anyone who does this is doing it wrong, because I was one of those people back 5 years ago. I was firstly drawing my brows and then setting them in, but then I would have to go around it again because there was a problem with my shape. But also, like, doing the brows in the middle of the glam is just destroying anything around the brow, because the gel is now everywhere and I can't properly stick my brows to my forehead. Like, that doesn't look good. You can see this. I just will not say anything at this point because the brows are a disaster and I can't make them look better. It's not even sticking. It's not even sticking, and this is pretty good brow gel. Maybe this works if you have more eyebrow hairs. That doesn't work for me. I would never go out with brows like this. I will try to fix it with the brow pen and to fill in the gaps, but this will not look much better. So nothing really will fix this. Let's just pretend that it was never there. You have never seen my brows. Next step in their routine is eyes. Soft almond glam. First of all, prime the lids. Apply an eyeshadow primer and lightly set it with a skin tone shadow. Prime the lids. My neutral palette. Set with skin toned shadow. You will see more powder flying around. That's the eyeshadow now. Transition shade. Blend a medium neutral brown slightly above the crease using circular motion. Apply a deeper brown on the outer third of the eye and blend upward toward the brow tail. Apply a shimmer or satin shade to the center of the lid. Lower lash line. Apply a soft brown to the other half of the lower lash line and blend. Eyeliner. Keep the line thin in the inner corner and gradually thicken it towards the outer edge. Follow the angle of the lower lash line for a wing. Just like this, the eyeliner is done. Curl the lashes and apply mascara, focusing more on the outer lashes. Half lashes can enhance the lifting effect. I will not use any additional lashes. What I just did. Remove excess balm, slightly overline only at the center of the upper lip. Fill the lips with the liner, apply a nude lipstick, add gloss to the center for volume. Overline only on the upper lip. I don't think I have any nude lipstick. I have nude gloss. That's what I'm gonna use. Final set. Mist the face with a setting spray. Gently press a sponge over the skin to melt all layers together. If the skin looks too matte, tap a tiny amount of cream highlighter on the cheekbone. If it looks too shiny, lightly powder the sides of the nose and chin. Let's spray the face. Every time like a first time. And that's our finished makeup look using only AI suggestions. How do you think ChatGPT did? Do we like his suggestions? Do we like the finished look? I would rate this makeup like an 8 out of 10. Maybe I would actually like add the highlighter to the nose. I know it's a little shiny now, but I want more shine there. I would also add blush on the nose. Like now it's just looking empty. Nothing really happened on the nose. If I take the blush and I just do this, like, isn't it 100 times cuter? If we're looking to the eye makeup, yeah, it's pretty good. Like, it's pretty damn good. The only thing I hate about this look is the brows. Like, I would not do them like this, but overall, it's not bad at all. I would say that ChatGPT has more like old-fashioned makeup suggestions. Leave your rating for this makeup in the comments. Tell me also what you would like to change on this makeup. Maybe you have other suggestions than I do, and maybe you want another edition of this video. I will ask ChatGPT to give us more fun makeup suggestions, and we will do part 2. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see from me next, and I see you soon. Bye!